Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing y'all how I get a dewy, glowy skin with a dark lip. It's gonna be more of a natural kind of look. We're not gonna go full glam, but we are going to do just a little bit of dewiness. Y'all know I love my dewy makeup. I cannot do matte finish. I have tried, and if I do, it's usually in the summertime. I have very dry skin, so I love a dewy look with a bright, bold lip. And a good thing about a bold lip is that it makes your teeth look whiter, and it's just a very beautiful look for any and everybody. So I'm going to be showing y'all today how I do a dewy, fresh look with a bold lip. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you become a part of the family and join the party. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below in the description box. And other than that, let's get into a dewy skin. Okay, so the very first thing that I like to do before I do anything is I like to moisturize my lips because they get really, really dry. I am using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Gloss. This is a lip plumping lip gloss. Also, before we did this, I exfoliated, I moisturized, I eye creamed. I've had a rough few weeks. I got breakouts all over my chin, on my cheeks. I got some on my nose. You guys, it's just been whatever. As y'all know already, if you watch my channel, my hydrating face primer by e.l.f. is my absolute favorite face primer. It's just something about it. It's just amazing. It keeps the dewiness of the skin. And I really try to keep this more on the outer edge of my face. And then I'll take what's left on the inside of my face. Okay, so I feel kind of weird because I have my eyebrows done already, which y'all know I like to do my eyebrows before and after, but I finished them, and I do have a new brow tutorial up, so if you want to see that, I will leave it linked up here. And in case y'all didn't know, I didn't know this until just like a few weeks ago, that the I button that is up here most of the time, you can press on it and you can get the suggestions, or you can put your channel in there. People can subscribe. You can put other people's information up here and lead other people to other people's videos. I can lead y'all to other people's videos. So that's pretty cool. If you didn't know that, go ahead and click that I button right there, and there will be a list of stuff right here if y'all want to check them out. I'm going to use this is just a shiny foundation brush. And then for foundation today, we're going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Fill Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations because of the dewiness. My Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I like my Physicians Formula. You guys, these are great. I cannot seem to find a high-end foundation that I really like, because they're all full coverage. So I usually stay in the drugstore range when it comes to foundation. So I'm just going to squeeze this on my face, and then I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm going to partially rub this out. Get the areas that I want the most coverage out of. I'm gonna look a little weird for a minute, guys. You gotta trust the process. So this will actually help soak up some of the, it don't soak up the foundation as much as when you just go straight in with a beauty blender. Don't ever forget your neck and your ears. I know some of y'all don't be washing y'all's ears when y'all wash your face makeup. It's kind of gross, yo. Then I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge, and then I will start working this in. I'm just gonna pounce this into my skin. So for me, this foundation makes my skin look its absolute best. Like, my skin lives its best life when I wear this foundation, and I love it so much. Okay, so after that, I am going to go in with the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. Almost everyone I see that owns this comes out, so be careful. And then I'm just gonna get where I want to contour my face. A good thing about cream contour, it's very easy to blend out. It gives more of that naturalish effect, you know? I will go in with this first, and then I'll go in with a light powder after. Like, look how easy that blended out. Like, I'm trying to hide my double chin, but it's not going nowhere, so not until I lose weight, which I'm very sore right now, by the way, because I have been working out and eating healthier. That's probably why my skin looks like boo-boo right now, because my body is probably trying to detoxify itself and drinking lots of water, and the diet, you know how it goes. Working out, my hormones are changing. It's insane right now. So then I'll go in, and with this, I like to dab it upwards when I blend it out. Like, look how effortless that is, and it just looks so stunning. I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, once I have that done, then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna just go in with Tarte Shape Tape. So then we'll go in and blend this out. So while I blend this out, you guys, let's chat for a second. Y'all know me, I'm not about the drama. I'm not about any of that. If it has to do with drama, keep me out of it. But here I am, I'm fixing to talk about it, of course. But there is a lot of drama going on right now, not only in the beauty community, but in the YouTube community, period, between grown women fighting over an ex and their life and status right now. The Ace family, the Morphe Foundation. Oh my goodness, I just can't get on social media without seeing drama, and I'm just tired of it. I tweeted it on Twitter the other day, and I'm just sick of it. Like, can we just grow up, you guys? It's 2019. Let's get some different kind of energy in this world. Like, I tell y'all all the time, let's spread kindness. Like, how hard is it for you to spread kindness? And if you don't, how hard is it for people to mind their own business and stay out of the drama? Like, if they want to exploit their drama online, let them do it. Don't mean that you have to put your 2 cents into everybody. Like, grow up, y'all. Like, my favorite phrase is, what would Jesus do? I don't know, I know everybody has their different morals and upbringings and all this stuff going on, and it's just a mess right now. And I'm really trying to stay away from it. Just keep it away from me. I don't want to see it. I'm tired of it. So if I see anything negative or nasty, I've been just either scrolling right past it, or I am starting to remove these people from my list. So now that I have all my concealer, cream contour done, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to use, this is the Flower Beauty. This is the Miracle Glow Satin Finish Powder. And what I like about this powder is it has little flakes and reflex of little glitters. It's not a lot, it's just, you can barely see it, and I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of this, and I'm going to set under my eyeballs, just enough for it not to crease and for it not to dry out. After that, I'll make sure the creases are out of my eye, and then I will do the same for my lids, since we're going for more of a natural look today. The only other powders we're gonna use, of course, is just a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this I'm just going to lightly give some color to my face. I don't want a lot of powder, but just to set that contour and put a little bit more dimension into our face. Like, I really want to try that Hourglass bronzer that Raw Beauty Christy be using. Oh, I just want to try it so bad. It's expensive. Today I'm gonna go in with the Blossom Time Rose by Milani. This blush is very pretty. It's more of like a golden pink. It kind of reminds me of that Benefit Cosmetic that has that golden sun in it. It has just the tiniest amount of shimmer in it. It's not too overpowering. And I will just press this along my cheeks. And I don't know if y'all can see or not, but it gives just the right amount of color and glow to the skin without being too overly powerful. Also, just to add a little bit more dimension into my eyeballs, I meant to do this a second ago, I'm just going to take a big blending brush and run some of that bronzer into my crease. So if y'all can see the difference, it makes a big difference. So this is the way I go anytime I do just a natural look. I'll just throw some bronzer or contour into my crease. And for highlighter today, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite. This is my Artist Couture. This is in Illuminati. It is a loose highlight. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. This is just a BH Cosmetics brush. It came with one of the highlights that they sent me for free. I don't know why I got it for free. I think they were just being nice because they accidentally shipped my order in 2, Instead of it being all in one, they sent it in two. So I'm just going to work this onto my skin. I'll take my finger, get the end of my nose. Ain't nothing like the end of the nose highlight. It's the best thing in the entire world. Down the bridge of my nose. I'll then take a little pencil, get my brow bone. I mean, this highlight is one of the prettiest ones. I really want to try the Amazing highlighter. I will go in with my beauty blender and I will gently tap this out because I want it to, I don't want it to look too blinding. I want it to look dewy and fresh and smooth, but I don't want it to be too overwhelming. So after that, I'm just going to throw on some mascara. Whatever mascara you want to use, you use it, baby. You use whatever mascara is your favorite. We're gonna go in, we're gonna do a dark lip. The liner that I'm gonna use today is the Real Her. This is I'm Loved. It is a very beautiful color. So I'll go in and line my lip. Okay, so once I have that done, they're not even. Now I think they're even. I think my mouth is just crooked or something. I don't know. We are gonna go in with Devious. This is a Bare Minerals liquid lip. I gotta keep looking in the viewfinder to make sure I don't have anything in my teeth. We're gonna go in with the Glam Glow Glow Setter. This is, yeah, Glam Glow Glow Setter setting spray. I usually like to use the Milani spray, Make It Dewy spray, but I don't have any at the moment. And also a tip and trick, guys, if you mess up on your lip like I have right here, you can take some concealer and you can clean that up and make everything nice, precise, and beautiful. Now we're just gonna spray. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Look how white my teeth look. I know I have messed up teeth, y'all, it's okay. But look, I just love this look. It's in my top 3 favorite looks. Like I said, I love my dewy skin. You can never get me to go away from my dewy skin. I absolutely love it. I adore it. You guys look at everything just sitting there glowing. You can see more of a natural look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I am so blessed with all your love and support. And if you made it to the end of this video, you guys, comment down below Dewy for me, just so I can see actually who's really watching. So not really that, but I just kind of want to see if anybody's really watching to the end. So this is the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Also, you can follow me on my social medias. Everything's linked below. Other than that, you guys, make sure to spread love and kindness everywhere you go. Leave the drama for your mama, and your mama, she don't want nothing to do with it either. So you guys, I love you. I'll talk to you soon.